So, hello guys, how are you? Hope everything is fine. So, this is the book. Now we'll start the second part of 2020 WBCS preliminary exam from 101 number question. So, let's start. Which city in Gujarat is widely known as ship breaking yard? So, which city is known as ship breaking yard? And the ship breaking yard is known as Alang. So, Alang is known as ship breaking yard. Who wrote Indian War of Independence? Indian War of Independence was written by whom? The Indian War of Independence was written by Damodar Savarkar. What is the meaning of Godar? Godar, the meaning of Godar is the revolt. Revolt. Meaning of Godar is revolt. 104. The scale used for measuring the intensity of the earthquake is the intensity of earthquake is measured by which scale? Richter scale. Which among the following viceroys was associated with the Ilbert controversy? So Ilbert controversy was with Lord Ripon. Human Development Index is published by which department? Human Development one Index published by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Math question: what number should come next in the sequence 6? This is a reasoning question. In which newspaper boycott was first declared? So boycott was first declared in which newspaper? Sanjeevani. Chumbi Valley is on boundary of. So Chumbi Valley কোন boundary তে আছে? Chumbi Valley is on boundary of Sikkim, Bhutan. Chumbi Valley. So next 111. 2006 NIDM was established. Which one of the following is correct? NIDM was established and according NIDM which one of the following is correct? False, true. By the Ministry of Human Resource, by the External Affairs Ministers. এটা হচ্ছে false. Number, when was the first battle of Torain fought? First battle of Torain fought 1191. Potassium permanganate used to purify water as it is. Potassium permanganate water কে purify করার কাজে ব্যবহৃত হয়। একটি oxidizing agent, okay? India made typhoid vaccine approved by WHO was first introduced in the country. So India যে typhoid vaccine টা বানিয়েছিল যেটা WHO was recommended, so approved by WHO was first introduced in which country? First introduced in Pakistan. Goods and service tax GST was introduced in India by the finance minister. The goods and service tax যে মিনিস্ট্রি করেছিল সেটা ছিল অরুণ জেটলি. 100 rupee currency in India is signed by 100 rupee যে কারেন্সি নোট ইন্ডিয়াতে সাইন বাই গভর্নর রিজার্ভ ব্যাঙ্ক অফ ইন্ডিয়া, আর যদি 1 রুপি কারেন্সি নোট হতো তাহলে সেটা হচ্ছে ফাইন্যান্স মিনিস্টার। হু ওয়াজ দ্য ফাউন্ডার অফ তত্ত্ববোধিনী সভা? So the founder of Tattvabodhini Sabha was Devendranath Tagore. Highest tobacco producing state in India, Andhra Pradesh. In West Bengal, Coach Bihar. District Coach Bihar, okay? So Indian Constitution was prepared by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Plants receive nutrients from atmosphere, chlorophyll, soil, light. So plant receives nutrient from soil. Superconductor are substances which the superconductor হচ্ছে সেই সমস্ত substance which offer no resistance to the flow of current. Speed of sound maximum in solids. So speed of sound is maximum in solid. Okay. 125 is a math question. Who was the first editor of the Amrit Bazar Potrika? First editor of Amrit Bazar Potrika is Shishir Kumar Ghosh. When the Hindu College was founded? Hindu College was founded 1817. Kolkata University 1857. Oh, 1857 maybe 17. Yes. in a row. The four principles of fact check module are fact check module four principle কি find access create and target অরুন্ধতী স্বর্ণ যোজনা by Assam government starting from 1st January 2020 aim encourage brides to register their marriage. The chairperson of Rajya Sabha is the chairperson. Who is the chairperson of Rajya Sabha? The chairperson of Vice President of India. Superfluous. Okay. Who led the Bardoli movement? Who led the Bardoli? Vallabhbhai Patel. The Leon of Golden Jubilee Award by IFFA 2019 was conferred to the actor whom? Icon of Golden Jubilee Award. Rajinikanth. Okay. Under whose governor generalship the railways were introduced in India? The railways was introduced in India under Lord Dalhousie. Railway was introduced in India under the Lord Dalhousie. Okay. Consider the following statements with reference to the National Hydrology Project. So, National Hydrology Project, it was launched in 2016 with the assistance of World Bank, correct. It provides for establishment of National Water Informatics Center, correct. Its objective is to improve the extent, quality and accessibility of water resources information, also correct. So answer is C. According to Indian Constitution, the state legislatures elect the According to Indian Constitution, state legislatures elect the members of Rajya Sabha. Which of the following is the first beach in Asia to get blue flag certification? First beach, Chandrabhaga Beach, Odisha. Blue flag certification. Inflation in India is, what is the inflation status? Single digit. Radiocarbon dating technique used to estimate the age of radiocarbon dating is estimated to know the age of fossils. That is a product of the combustion of fossil fuels is greenhouse gas. That is a product of the combustion of the fossil fuel is CO2. Through which educational report Kolkata University came into existence? So, কোন ইউনিভার্সিটি রিপোর্টে কলকাতা ইউনিভার্সিটি came into existence? So, Calcutta University came Woods Despatch. So, Calcutta University came into existence in Woods Despatch. ISRO launched Cartosat 3 recently from ISRO launched Cartosat 3 recently from কোথা থেকে লঞ্চ করেছে? Sriharikota. Founder of Ford Block. Easy question. Subhash Chandra Bose, also important. Which of the following is a correct statement about Indus Valley civilization? Both Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are located on the bank of river Ravi. No, this is not correct. So, both Chanhudro Kalibangal were located within the boundaries of present-day Rajasthan. This is correct. Both Surkara and Dholavira are located Gujarat. Surkara and Dholavira. It is not located in Gujarat. Surkara is located in Dholavira, Gujarat, not Surkara. Lothal site was located in the bank of Narmada. No. Who was the Governor General during the annulment of Soti? Governor General কে ছিল during the annulment of Soti? Lord Bentinck. Who planted the tree of liberty? Tipu Sultan planted tree of liberty at Srirangapatnam. What was the date of Queen's proclamation? 148. Queen's proclamation, 1st November 1858 was the date. Service sector in India. The contribution of service sector in India is about 62%, which is the highest. In reference to Mughal period's revenue collection system, Japti means Japti. Mughal collection system Japti means yield per unit area. Consider the following statement. Queen pineapple. Queen pineapple, it is the state food of Nagaland. No, it had received geographical tag 2015. This is correct. Indians who founded Indian Women's University? Dondu Keshav Kharve founded Indian Women's Society, Women's University. DEFCON is jointly organized by DEFCON is jointly organized by Corps of Signals and Confederation of Indian Industry. Find the odd one, reasoning, which can bind O2 molecules. Which can bind O2 molecules? Red blood cells can bind O2 molecule. PCMA 2006 is the abbreviated version of PCMA 2006 is the abbreviated version of Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. Who was the founder of Jamia Millia Islamia? Who was the founder of Jamia Millia Islamia? Dr. Zakir Hussain was the founder of Jamia Millia Islamia. If you were running a race and you passed the person second place, okay, place, and the reasoning question. Select from the rice producing districts in West Bengal in ascending order. So 160. Bardhaman, Medinipur, Murshidabad, East Bardhaman. In which year salt satyagraha took place? 1930. Salt satyagraha took place. The cabinet mission came into India. Cabinet mission came into India 1946. This is the answer. Chancellor of the state-run universities West Bengal is governor of the state. Which of the following clearly defines Mitakshara? A treatise on ancient Hindu law of inheritance, Mitakshara. Okay, 165. The absorption of ink by blotting paper involves capillary action. Yes, capillary action. So, the commander of Alauddin Khilji's forces during his Deccan campaign was Alauddin Khiljiর Deccan campaigনের সময় কমান্ডার ছিল মালিক কাপুর. When first Independence Day was celebrated, 26 January 1930, the first Independence Day was celebrated. Okay. Which city is located along Mula Mutha River from the following? Mula Mutha River from the following. Which city is located? So this is an important question. Pune. Natural radioactivity was discovered by Natural radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. Natural radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. Who is the father of Indian National Congress? Father of Indian National Congress was A.O. Hume. 172. Akbar built Ibadat Khana. Which year Akbar built Ibadat Khana? 1575. Who started the first English newspaper in India? So first English newspaper in India was started by James Augustus Hickey. Which one is the fertilizer? So নিচের fertilizer হচ্ছে 174 D NaNO3. Lokpal vigilance is represented by, in the logo of Lokpal, vigilance is represented by Ashok Chakra. Lokpal and vigilance. Last census of Indian proclamation was held in the year 2011. Okay, 176. 2011. Gongoni region of West Bengal has which type of soil? 177. C. Laterite soil. Farmer suicide in India is viewed as an outcome of climate change and natural disaster. This is the reason. Farmer suicide. 178. No. Agricultural distress. So this is the reason for agricultural distress, but this is the reason for farmer suicide. Okay. Which region is called the granary of South India? Granary of South India is Tanjavur. 180. Kakrapara Atomic Center is located near which city in India? Kakrapara Atomic Center, C. Surat. Koboliyat and Patayan instrument of settlement, Shershah. 181. Hydrogen bomb is based on nuclear fusion. 182. B. Nuclear fusion. Birjis Kadir. Who was Birjis Kadir? Birjis Kadir কে ছিলেন? Birjis Kadir, Nawab of Oudh. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics is Professor Amartya Kumar Sen. Port Blair is located in which island? Port Blair is located in which island? South Andaman Island. Head count ratio is widely used in India as a measure of head count ratio is widely used in India as a measure of poverty. Head count ratio 187. The river on which Tilpara barrage is located. The river on which Tilpara barrage is located. 187. Tilpara barrage is located in Mayurakshi. So this is the reasoning question. Excess fluoride in drinking water causes excess fluoride 189. Excess fluoride causes fluorosis. The district letters, okay. The gas that filled the electric valve কোন gas fill করা থাকে? The gas that filled electric valve is nitrogen. What was meant by Kherawari hole? Kherawari hole. What is the meaning of Kherawari hole? Santal movement. Mean by Kherawari hole, Santal movement. The sum of all international. Unemployment in India is concentrated in. Unemployment in India is concentrated in 95C, both organized and unorganized sector. Okay. TV remote control uses which ray? TV remote control uses infrared frequency. TV remote control uses infrared frequency. The difference between GDP at market price and GDP at factor cost is the difference between GDP at market price and GDP at indirect taxes. This is the question answer. LPG is a mixture of 200B, propane and butane. LPG is a mixture of propane and butane. So this is the and here we complete the 2020 previous year question paper, all 200 question. So thank you guys. If you have some doubts, comment below in the comment section. You can ask some questions also. Thank you guys. In our upcoming video we will discuss WBCS 2019 prelim previous year preliminary question paper. Okay, so stay tuned guys. Thank you.